Hey guys, it's me, it's Brian. But today, I can't just jump. It's cute. My cat is literally loving it. But she's so cute. This is turn around the face. Cutie cat. I like my cats. I got a dog as well, but I'll show you later. Say cheese. The world's funniest cat. If you like my cat, then subscribe and like. If you don't subscribe, anyway, she's like 9 years old and you. Hey, stop that, stop that. Quick. Right guys, I'm gonna see you in a minute. Anyway guys, my sister's gotta do some funny faces because the dog will come, she just kept growling at me and stuff.
Just want to raggy. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Right guys, my sister's gonna do the world's funniest burp ever.
Wait 1 second.
It's not this thing. Do a funny face. Oh god. Anyway.
I'll do a funny face.
I wanna do some dancing and we'll see you fail. Do some epic fail dance. Dude, what the heck? Oh god! Oh! That was a minging one, that. Anyway guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video.
No, do some more burps.
No, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you leave a like, subscribe, and
comments.
Comment. Oh jeez. Alright, no comments, please don't. Oh god, I'm just gonna end the video. It absolutely stinks. Right, bye.